If we do not end war, war will end us. Respected school director, principal, honorable teachers, and my dear friends, a very good morning to all. I am Pranjali Chatkara, a student of class plus 2 science, and I stand before you to speak on the occasion of Hiroshima Day. Every year on 6th August, the world pauses to remember the atomic bombing of Hiroshima in 1945. In a matter of seconds, an entire city was devastated. Thousands of innocent lives were lost, and countless others suffered the long-lasting effects of radiation. It remains one of the most heartbreaking reminders of the destruction that war can bring. Hiroshima Day is not merely a day of remembrance. It is a call to humanity. It reminds us that true strength lies not in the power to destroy, but in the courage to preserve peace, protect human dignity, and resolve differences through understanding. As the youth of today and the leaders of tomorrow, let us pledge to spread kindness, respect, and harmony so that the horrors of Hiroshima are never repeated. Let us always remember the words of Mahatma Gandhi that there is no path to peace. Peace is the path. Thank you.